Hi, this is Greg Bridges with Trading Pips. So today we're going to go over UsdChf. This will be my third update on the currency pair. It's currently trading at the 1.0199 range. So what do I have to tell you about this currency pair? Right now the currency pair is trading way above where I told you I was going to initially get in at. So if I give you a quick rundown of my account manager, and I changed into my individual position. I have 3 positions on this particular currency at the moment. So originally I told you I was going to get in at the 101.023 range, but I was able to get in at the 101.65 range. I'm currently negative $139 on this trade. And then I was able to get in a second time with another 15,000 lots at the 101.541 range, and I'm currently negative $69 on that. So today is 4/23/2019, and while I was playing around with my phone, I accidentally put in another trade for sale for another 15,000 lots, and I got in at the 1.01934 range. If you remember what I told you about Forex.com, if you have multiple trades, what they'll do is average up all 3 of them, and they'll give you a total lot size, which is 15 times 3 or 45,000 lots, and they'll give you a average on the position that you're in. So my new position is right here, 101.513. So that's my new position in this particular trade, which means I'm about 50 pips down from where the actual price of the currency pair is trading at right now, about 50 pips down, or negative $227.45, and it's fluctuating for the moment right now. So if I get rid of my account manager and take you back to this weekly chart, you're wondering what's this area right here. So this area, this rectangle that I've drawn out for you guys, pretty much is showing you where the currency pair crossed over the 102 threshold on into its higher threshold of 103.459. So, or anywhere in between. So if we look at this price chart, there's only been 5 times in the matter of 6 to 7 years to where this thing has even went up to the 102 price range. Any other time it's been in the 101 price range or even lower, and it's always dropped down into the 0.99 range or even the 0.98 range. So what are we going to say about this thing? I'm pretty much going to take you back in time for a quick moment to show you. So this is why the arrows are set up right here. So if I go back in time real quick, I'm going to show you that even going back to here, this is the 2013 range, and this is like April, March 2013. So that's 2013 on into 2014, and just going right around here, we have a green candle, and we're in January 2015. So before hitting um, a red candle, which gave it a crazy drop and a crazy wick down to the 7.4 range. But anyway, it hit the 102 range in January 2015, and that's why I have this arrow right here. That was the first hit, right? Then if you move on through the year of 2015, we see it again right around the November time frame where it hit maybe on that candle before going up a little further, and it actually went up to its max, which was the 103.459 range, before giving us a red candlestick and started to drop down out of that particular level, right? So we see that that was still the 2015 time frame. So basically, 3 times in 2015 that it actually touched. So we're going to count 2315 as the year that it touched it and touched that area, and then we're going to go back into the 2016 time frame, and we say, bam, it hit it in 2016 as well. And that was right around the January time frame as well. And we're going to push on through, and we're going to come around here, and you can tell where we have crazy wicks all over the place. But what year we're in? We're still in year 2016. So that's 2016, and this is 2016. And as we move on, that was like close to the November, December time frame of 2016 before we carry on into 2017 and the market starts to go south again. And it went on to the 9.9 range before going up but not hitting. So now we're in the 2017 area. So how many counts do we have? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in the 2016, 2017 area. As you can tell, it didn't touch again ever in 2017. And we cross over right here into the year 2018, and we see where it never touched it. It never touched that area again in 2018. And now we here in 2019, and we're in the April time frame. And actually, today is when it hit 4/23/2019, or we cross over into the 102 area. And so that would be 5 times in the different years, where it actually touched base above the 102 price range. And each time it did touch that price range, it always went down, because it seemed like that area was definitely had strong resistance. So even we look up here where it did hit that area, when it went down right around the 9.9 range. So what do we plan on doing for this particular trade? As you can tell, like I said, I'm negative $223.60 on this trade. It looks like it's maybe traveling upward a little bit right now, and my take profit is at 1.00380. I may adjust that in the future. I may take it up another 20 pips or so. Just depends on how I feel. Or I may take it up another 60 or 70 pips, to get out the trade. So right now, this trade is going to net me close to $500, but I may change the pip size depending on which way that it goes. So hopefully you guys have already got in this trade. Hopefully you got in at a better position than I did, and you're making and you're gonna make some good money from this particular trade. So what is our stance on this? We still think this is definitely a currency to sell. It's very high. Sell, sell, sell. Thank you guys for paying attention and listening to and looking at my chart. My name is Greg Bridges. This is Trading the Pips. You guys have a great day. Bye.